YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave, I am the bridge, man. Now, right now, son, the point of this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 ways that you can get rich before 2022. Now, listen, man, we are in September. In January, not even January, in December of 2020, every single one of y'all, including myself, was saying 2021 is gonna be my year. 2021, new year, new me. We are 9 months into 2021, and you are still doing the same thing that you was doing last year. So in this video right here, I'm gonna tell you 5 ways that you can get rich, 5 ways that you can start bringing some kind of income into your life before 2022. You got time, son. It's not over for you yet. All right? Stay tuned. Sheesh.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Starting off with number 5 is make a YouTube channel. Do you not understand how much money is on this platform? This is something that literally anybody can do. Now, I know some of y'all make excuses. Oh, I don't have a camera. Bro, you got an iPhone. You're watching this video right now on your iPhone. Your iPhone is low-key just as good as a camera. Stop making excuses. It was a time where my camera actually broke and I was only recording videos using my iPhone that was really broke too. But I was using my iPhone for like 4 or 5 months. Yo, use your phone. For anyone that's watching that's probably 18 or older, yo, when I first started YouTube, I literally went to bestbuy.com. I applied for a Best Buy credit card and I bought my first camera using a credit card. And I did financing, so I literally did not have to pay for it. I didn't have to make any payments on that camera until like, it was a whole year. The camera that I'm using right now, the camera was like $600. I've made tens of thousands of dollars with this camera right here. So when it comes to, if you're younger than 18 and you don't have a real camera, yo, use your phone. Anybody could use their phone. Even Androids, yo, those cameras, the Samsung Galaxies, those cameras are nice cameras. You can use a phone. Another excuse that everybody makes is that like, oh, well, I don't really know where to start. I don't know what kind of videos to make. Think of it like this. What kind of videos do you like to watch? I'm gonna tell y'all the secret. All you have to do, figure out what kind of videos you like to watch, figure out a niche, and you need to find someone who makes the kind of videos that you want to start making, and you need to study them. And when I say study, what I really mean, you need to find somebody who's making the videos that you want to make and copy every single video that they make. I'm telling you now, that is what everybody does. That prank that you see on YouTube, that person more than likely isn't the person who created that prank. You know, you see that cheating prank and then you see thousands, hundreds of thousands of other people usually do the same exact prank. For anybody who's like on the entertainment side of YouTube, you see how King Sid does the smasher passes in person, and now everybody's doing smasher pass in person. You need to find somebody who's making the videos that you want to make and copy every single one of them. But number 5, make a YouTube channel and grind on that shit, son. The 4th way to get rich before 2022 is with something called affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, think of it like this. If you search right now, the best cameras for vlogging, you're gonna see a bunch of people with videos saying the top 5 cameras for YouTube, the top 10 cameras for vlogging. And in these videos, they're pretty much gonna be listing 10 different cameras or 5 different cameras that you can use to help you do what you really want to do. But understand this, and I'm not sure if y'all notice or not, but those Amazon links that you see, I'm telling you, oh, if you want to start vlogging, you know, you need to get the Canon G7X. The link is in my bio if you want to get the Canon G7X, and it'll be a link in my bio for Amazon. Understand that if you click that link in my bio and you go buy that camera that I just told you about, Amazon is gonna pay me a piece of that. They're gonna pay me commission. Why? Because I just put you on to something. I put you on to their product. All right, so what affiliate marketing is pretty much you're putting people on to somebody else's product, if that makes sense. So the next time you're watching a video and you see links in their bios showing you how you can get a certain product, understand that that company is paying that person because that person, that influencer, is affiliated with that company. All right, yo, you gotta really think about this, man. Like, we put people on the stuff every single day. If I go to a bar, or no, let's not say a bar. If I go to a restaurant and I get a vegan burger, and it's the best vegan burger I ever had in my life, and I go tell my vegan friends about this vegan burger that I just had, I don't get paid for that. You feel me? But with affiliate marketing, I can literally put people on to something that I actually use, and that company will pay me for putting people on. That's an easy way for you to make money without even having money. All right, but that's number 4, affiliate marketing. The third way to get rich before 2022 is with investing. Now, when it comes to investing, this is something that it takes money to actually make money, and it is risky. Yeah, you can make money, but you can also lose money as well, but it's worth it. We are in 2021. Like, listen, man, if you are not investing right now, then you tripping, son. Whether it's Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, binary options, you need to be investing in something. The reason why investing is so lit is because it's a way for your money to grow in your sleep. Of course, it takes money to make money, but you're using your money to actually make more money. A lot of us, a lot of y'all use your time to make money. If that makes sense, you're going to work. You're investing, but you're investing your time. You're investing 1 hour for $10. Me, someone like me, the individuals who I'm around, I invest $10 to make $50. All right, there's a difference. You need to be investing. I talk about investing all of the time. You know, I do have an organization, an investment group, where we help each other, you know, worldwide, 500 people worldwide, and we all make money together every single day. Yo, if you're interested in that, definitely click the link in my bio. And hey, man, we can make this money together. There's another form of investing called binary options, using a platform called Pocket Option. All right, a lot of y'all seen my Pocket Option tutorial. That's how a lot of y'all even subscribe to me, where I'm actually showing you how you can get started with Pocket Option. You can start for free. You want to do that? You can click the link in my bio for that too, man. With Pocket Option, it gives you the ability to make money in minutes. All right, I'm gonna put like a little example right here. You're able to make money in as little as 30 seconds. So it's great, you know, it's lit. Investing, you need to be doing that now. Get a head start on it before 2022. It is a journey, you know, it is risky, but it's worth it. All right, so that's, what was that, number 3? The third way, investing. The second best way for you to get rich before 2022 is with something called network marketing. Now, network marketing is kind of similar to affiliate marketing, but it's a little bit different. With affiliate marketing, I'm getting paid to put you on to something. So I get paid to tell you about a book that I read, and if you go buy that book because of me, I get paid for that. With network marketing, it's real similar to that, but with network marketing, the bigger that my network of people grows, the more money that the company pays me on a consistent basis. So with affiliate marketing, I'm getting paid one time for something that you buy, that you purchase one time, or every time that you purchase it, I get paid for that. With network marketing, they're paying me every single month. That right there is called residual income. Okay, so when you hear the word or the term residual income, think of it like YouTube. YouTube is a form of residual income. I get paid every single month. I'm gonna put this video out, and 5 years from now, as long as people continue to watch this video, I'm gonna continue to get paid for this. So in number 5, where I explain, you know, the how to tie a tie video, if you make that how to tie a tie video, that's a video that's gonna last forever. So people are gonna always be looking, they're always gonna be wanting to know how to tie a tie. And if they're watching your video every single time, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, YouTube is gonna continue to pay you. Okay, so network marketing pays you residually for how big your network is. So when it comes to me, when it comes to my organization, The Bridge CEO, like I said before, if you want to join my team, click the link in the bio. Hey man, we can make this money together. I can show you, I can teach you all of that stuff. But the bigger my team grows, the more money that company is going to continue to pay me on a monthly basis. So right now, I get $5,000 every single month from the company that I'm partnered with. Okay, so I'm telling you now, man, like anybody who's been watching my videos, you know, you can watch years from now, back when I was broke, back when I was sad in my 1-bedroom apartment, all of that. You can see I'm in a whole different place right now. You can see I was traveling, all of that. And it's all because of, honestly, every single tip that I gave you, I literally do all of them. I do Forex. I do affiliate marketing. I definitely invest. I'm a part of network marketing. All right. But I'm telling you now, network marketing, and it doesn't have to be a Forex type network marketing company. They have network marketing companies that sell coffee. They have network marketing companies that sell energy drinks, stuff like that. But if you want to join my team, and what we do is we invest, click the link in my bio, man. Number 2, the best way for you to get rich before 2022 is network marketing. It's lit, changed my life. Yo, I'm about to start making 10 bands every single month. I've never made that much money before, but I'm about to start, and you can make this money with me. All right, but that's the second way for you to get rich. Now, the number 1 way for you to get rich before 2022 is with something called NFTs. All right, now what an NFT stands for, it stands for non-fungible token. I'm not gonna really get into that because that shit just gonna confuse you even more. But I want you to think of it, NFT is digital art, okay? Think of it like this. We are in a world where everything is now digital. Back in the day, you used to have to go to Blockbuster to get a movie. Now, you can just watch a movie through Netflix. If I wanted to get a ride somewhere, I had to call a cab. Now, I use my phone and I can get a Uber with money. All right, with money, you used to have physical cash. Then you was able to use your debit card or credit card. Now they have digital money, which are cryptocurrencies. Everything is going digital. With NFTs, that's art. All right, like the art world, that's another form of investing. I can buy an art piece and let that art piece sit, you know, in my crib, and that art piece, the value of it will continue to rise as I, you know, going about my life, and I can buy it and then I can resell it for thousands of dollars more than what I got it for, you know, years down the line. That's physical art. With an NFT, it's digital art. So now I can buy digital art for as little as like $6. I could buy some art for $6 and I can resell it for $1,000. Yo, I know someone who bought a piece for, I think it was like $12, and they resold it for $15,000. They bought it for $12 and resold it for $15,000. This right here is another form of investing. I'm telling you now, NFTs are the wave. A lot of people aren't talking about it because a lot of people don't know what it is. All right, and I'm telling you now, just like with Bitcoin, I remember when Bitcoin was worth $400. Now, 1 Bitcoin is worth $50,000. I saw a picture the other day where it had an iPhone and it had Ethereum. And it said in 2010, the iPhone was worth $1,000 and the Ethereum was worth, let's say it was worth like $200. I don't remember the exact price. And then underneath it, it had 2021. The iPhone was worth $1,000 and the Ethereum was worth $3,000. So it's like the value went up. It's the same thing. I'm telling you now, if you start getting into this NFT game before everybody else, this is a crazy way for you to make money. Yo, my whole team is on this. I literally have people, I got a 14-year-old on my squad who's buying art for $5, $10 and reselling it for $50, $60. All right, NFTs is the #1 way for you to get rich before 2022. If you want to know more about NFTs, you know, just type your questions in the comments. I might make some more videos about that, you know, walking you through how to actually purchase it. It's kind of like eBay. You know, you buy something on eBay and then you list it back on eBay and you resell it for more. In the same way how on eBay you can bid for stuff, it's the exact same concept with this right here. But those are the top 5 ways that you can get rich before 2022. And I want to let y'all know, man, everything that I just said, I literally do all 5. If you got some value from this video, definitely like the video, cause I mean, come on, son. I just put you on game. I probably put you on some shit you don't even know about. So the least you could do is like my video. Definitely drop a comment, man. Catch the wave. If you're not subscribed already, catch the wave. Join the family. If you are already on the wave, drop the waves in the comments, man. I'm liking all wave comments. If you want to join my team, I help hundreds of people make money every single day. I can help you too. You want to join the Bridge CEO? Then what should you do? You need to click the link in my bio. Click the link in the description. All right. Hopefully this video helps you. If you want to know how to do this or how to do that, hit me up. Type it in the comments and I'll make a video about it. All right. You already know how it go, man. Stay cool. Stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk. I'm what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.